I'm Alex from John & Ginger, and today I wanted to tell you a bit more about one of my favourite eye creams, Dermalogica's Biolumin C Eye Serum. Do you use an eye cream or a gel? We often get asked at what age you should start using one, and the answer is ideally from your late teens, early 20s. And this is because the eye area is so delicate and prone to premature skin aging, so it needs a nice moisturising formula specifically designed for the thinner tissue around the eyes, and also one that can combat common issues such as dullness, puffiness and fine lines. No matter how old we are, our eyes are under constant strain, and general facial movements like frowning, squinting to staring at screens and devices for many hours of the day, like we all do. And if you suffer from lack of sleep, then this can also take its toll. So it's no wonder many of us suffer with tired looking eyes. Dermalogica's Biolumin C Eye Serum is supercharged eye serum designed to brighten the eye area, harnessing the power of ultra stable vitamin C. It firms the skin and it also hydrates the tissues to give the eyes a boost. The formula is really light and cooling on the skin, so great for all ages and skin conditions. It features the same ultra-stable vitamin C complex found in Dermalogica's #1 serum, Biolumin C Serum, which maximises bioavailability to ensure superior skin results. Dermalogica's vitamin C serum formulas don't just rely on vitamin C alone, they supercharge the overall formula for greater skin results. So Biolumin C Eye Serum also contains a peptide to deliver firmness and more radiant skin, along with moisturising chia seed oil. Then to further boost and hydrate the delicate eye area, it features nutrient-rich mushroom extracts along with papain from papaya to gently renew the skin's texture, and skin-nourishing microalgae to boost elasticity and diminish those fine lines. It's really simple to use. You just dispense a small amount, the size of a grain of rice, onto your ring finger, and then you gently smooth it under the eye and on the orbital bone. You can use it in the morning and in the evening, and you can follow with your usual moisturiser and sunscreen. You can use Biolumin C Serum to brighten, smooth and hydrate your eyes AM to PM, nice and light, and won't cause any puffiness either. You can shop the full Dermalogica range and my favourite recommended Biolumin C Eye Serum at John & Ginger. Please leave your comments below and follow us for more advice and tips. Thank you.